Hello class 10. Today in my previous video we studied about the say, parts of nervous system, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Now central nervous system contain brain and a spinal cord. Brain have three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Now today I am going to start with this spinal cord because it controls the reflexes, contains actions, controls reflex action, convey uh, impulses. Now here you just see structure of the spinal cord. See here, structure of the spinal cord. See, this is the structure of a spinal cord. This one, outer one is called, uh, it contains white matter. White matter means axons. Okay, axons, suppose, see here the structure of neuron. This one is cyton and this one is axon. This one is cyton and this one is axon. So now white matter always contain this axon part and grey matter always contain this cyton or cell body part. Here in the center, central canal is situated in this middle and grey matter is inside this one. The H shape structure, it is grey matter, and outer one, this one is white matter. In the center is the central canal and grey matter contains cell bodies and white matter contains axons. Externally, the spinal cord is covered by three membranous membranes, that is dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. Okay, spinal cord, it is also part of the membranes of brain, that is called meninges. Externally it is covered by the three membrane, dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. A spinal cord extend from medulla to the brain. Medulla of the brain down to almost the whole length of the backbone. See, this one is cerebrum, cerebellum and this one is medulla oblongata, and it's like that, this पूरा यहाँ तक आएगा to the पूरा backbone में, that is vertebrae. Okay, inside the vertebrae is spinal cord. Here inside the vertebrae. Now say it is end at the second lumbar vertebra and lies within the neural canal of the vertebra. It is also filled with cerebrospinal fluid. What is the function of the cerebrospinal fluid? That is prevent from the shock and jerk and act as a shock proof cushion, and from a medium for exchange of food material, waste product and respiratory gases with nerves. Okay, now simple, it contains three membranes. Spinal cord also contains three membranes because it is extend from the medulla oblongata of the brain down the whole length of the backbone at the end of the second lumbar vertebra, here in the backbone of the second lumbar vertebra. See how it looks like in our body. This one is cerebrum, part of the brain, cerebellum, and this one is medulla oblongata. Spinal cord extend from the medulla oblongata of the brain down almost the whole length of the backbone to end at the second lumbar vertebra and lies within the neural canal of the vertebrae. Okay, it is also filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. What is the function of this cerebrospinal fluid? Act as a shock proof cushion and forms a medium for the exchange of material, waste product and respiratory gases in the neurons. Now function, reflex below the neck. What is the function of this spinal cord? All of you know it. We studied about in previous classes also. Reflex below the neck conduct sensory nerve impulses from skin and muscle to the brain and conduct motor impulse responses from brain to muscle of the trunk and limb. Okay, what are the function of this spinal cord? Reflexes below the neck, conduct sensory impulses from the skin and muscles to the brain. यानी कि स्किन में अगर कोई मैसेज आ रहा है, heat, touch or या any things, any sense organs receive that stimulus and the muscles of the brain conduct sensory impulses from skin and muscles to the brain. It a function of the spinal cord. Now conduct motor response from the brain to the muscles of the trunk. See here in this figure you can easily understand with what I am saying. See in the structure. See the structure. This is hot iron plate. This is hot iron plate. See here. This one is hot iron plate. Okay, this one is hot iron plate and this one is motor nerve. And here are two nerves. See clearly, here are two nerves. One yellow one is motor nerve and red one is sensory nerve here. Red one sensory and yellow one motor nerve. And when this boy touch this hot plate, then sensory nerves carry these impulses to the spinal cord in the backbone area and to the brain. And brain again give the message by the effector muscles to the motor nerve, and withdrawal of your hand. Withdrawing of your hand, it is a result of this reflex action. How it's work? For example, involuntary muscles involved in it, and for this function reflex action, suppose you wish to watch some program on TV and you switch it on and press the remote for a particular channel. Now